Hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. We're gonna do us a chicken salad plate today, y'all. Look, this is what I'm gonna use today, y'all. Y'all remember y'all used to have that old George Foreman in the as one of your appliances in the house, and some of y'all done forgot all about it. Some of y'all done probably trashed it or whatever. Well, I went to Goodwill, man, and ended up finding one of these George Foreman. The thing looked like it was in pretty decent shape for $6.99. You know what I'm saying? So this is definitely, man, one of these things that I used to have back in the days where I used to cook my chicken fillets in. And it also came with this right here, you know what I'm saying? It got some, I think these are like little feet stands. I ain't never seen these before on no George Foreman. So I'm thinking that you just take these and slip them up here just to make it a little bit more higher. You know what I mean? You can raise it up, raise the level of it up. And I was excited about this because, let me see. You got some pamphlets that all came with it, which is good. And I got 2 trays, which is daggone good. You know what I'm saying? And when you look at this real quick, you see that it's in good freaking shape. I'm not even gonna lie. For $6.99 plus tax and all, man, it's in freaking good shape. And I already had pretty much just wiped this down real good. You know what I'm saying? But as far as other than me just cleaning this up, this is about it, you know? And even the top part is in pretty decent shape. So this is what I'm excited about. So I'm gonna definitely cook my chicken breast in this right here. All right, so the other thing I want to show you guys is on one of my lives, I've showed you exactly, man, how I marinate my chicken. So I got some chicken breast that's in this here jar. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bust this jar wide open. All right. Pop the seal on this. This is vacuum sealed, so I did take the air out of this here so that all of that marination can get inside that meat. And this is where I'm gonna put. I'm putting these chicken breasts, boneless chicken breasts, on this here George Foreman so we can make us a chicken salad. I'm thinking this is definitely going to be another good healthy, you know, recipe for some of my YouTube viewers, because I know some people has been calling out. They want to see more healthy recipes, so definitely this is going to be one of these videos for you guys. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, this right here is 2 days of marination, right? And it got some good color on it, or whatever the case may be. The seasonings are still on it, and the smell is just unbelievable. What I did before I marinated this here, and I do another video showing you how I marinated the chicken breast. I took a fork and I poked holes in each and every one of these here breasts. So the only thing that I want to do to one piece of this here meat, just one piece, I want to take the piece of meat. As you can see the bottom of it, this is the bottom. How everything is pretty much look like it's marinated pretty well with that seasoning. I just want to take one piece of meat, and I want to split that meat open. And I want to see if that marination penetrated on the inside. So as I'm looking in it, I can see that the meat, that it didn't penetrate so much deep on the inside of it. You know what I'm saying? So it's just pretty much like in that surface. So I'm gonna still go to the drawing board and see exactly what I can do to get that marination to actually penetrate inside this here meat. You know what I mean? Because if you can look, there's a big difference between, you know, the inner texture, the inner color of the meat versus the outside appearance of the meat. You know what I mean? So there is going to be flavor on the outside of the meat, but the marination didn't quite go deep on the inside of it. So now what I'm thinking, if I was to do this again, I would basically have to end up splitting this meat just like I did here, butterflying that meat, and just put it back in the jar and do the same process, all right? So let's go ahead and put this on a George Foreman grill and create our chicken salad. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I plugged the George Foreman up, and there is like an orange light right here, so I don't know if I have to wait till it turns green or something like that to let me know that it's ready. But here, I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this dial. You got medium and max. So I'm gonna put it like somewhat like 3/4 of the way. Put it about right here, close to max, but hey, I just want to see what it's gonna do. All right, so in between time, I'm gonna go ahead and put this tray right on up under here. And I'm gonna end up just putting 2 pieces of this meat on, and then what I'm gonna end up doing is vacuum sealing up the rest of the meat, all right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this meat on, and it is definitely working. You can see that, all right? So I just want to put on 2 pieces of meat. See what it do. Close it up. So how many of you guys had a George Foreman and got rid of it? Or how many of you right now still have your George Foreman, but you're not using it at all? Comment below. All right. So I got the 2 breasts on there. As you can see, these breasts are kind of big. All right. So what I want to do, take a thermometer. I want to take a food thermometer. I just want to see what's the internal temperature of the meat. So you could definitely split these breasts down if you want, all right? So I just want to go from here, and I want it to read at least around about 165 or better. So right now we're looking at 160, 178. So this meat is done. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let this meat rest. So I'm gonna take it off the Foreman, and I'm gonna let it rest. And I also want to check the temp of this one also. I wanted to read, like I said, 165 or better. And this one, as you can see, is reading up pretty good also. So this is ready to come on. All right, so I'm gonna let this rest, and I'll go ahead and cut it up and build the salad. All right, we're gonna go ahead and just cut into this meat right quick and slice it on up. And as you can see, it is done. George Foreman worked pretty good. Nice tender done meat right there. All right, let's plate this meat up. All right, we got us some spinach and spring mix right here that I'm just gonna pretty much pile up on this tray. So I'm gonna fix me one, and I'm gonna fix my wife one. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get me some croutons. Toss some croutons on there. Then I want to toss some cucumbers on there. I love some cucumbers. And then I'm going to take me some cheese. place a little bit of cheese on that. Then I want to take my breast that I sliced up. Put it right there. And I want to take some of this here garlic and onion spice blend. Y'all guys know I love this stuff, man, from Ross. I do. Good tasting stuff. I just want to sprinkle some of that over the chicken. And that's a healthy eating right there, y'all, okay? Like you say, you can go to Walmart, pick you up some of this here spice. Pick some of this here spinach and spring mix, and get you some croutons. You can add whatever vegetables you want to add to this. You know what I'm saying? Get you some tomatoes, whatever you like on yours. Also put up the rest of the chicken breast that I had marinated in my vacuum sealed bag. So it's gonna come a time where I'm gonna pull these out again and also do these. Like I say, this is just for me and my wife. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fix her up a plate the same way as I fix mine up. And this is definitely healthy eating. If you had the food prep, this is definitely something that you could possibly do if you had to, right? And it's just something quick and something easy. Like I say, this is a healthy meal. All right, this is Ray Mack style. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment on the video. Let me know if this is something that you would like to see more of. And I just want to say thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber of Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of up and coming videos. And on this plate, like I said, I got some mixed spinach and spring mixed vegetables. With veggies that's at the bottom, along with some cucumbers, some croutons, along with some cheddar cheese, and there we go. All right. So thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate, and be blessed, fam. I love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. Peace.